Hey, so how to import data from Square to Xero. In this video, I'm going to share a really cool app that helps you do just that. It's called Link My Books. And in the description of the video, you're going to find a link to a free trial of Link My Books, plus free onboarding and a special 50% off for 3 whole months coupon code so you can save money with Link My Books. Now, Square integration, sync Square payouts with deposits in Xero or QuickBooks, offering a clear breakdown of sales, refunds, fees, and taxes. So Link My Books is accurate e-commerce accounting on autopilot, basically an accounting and bookkeeping software. So save time and money by automating your bookkeeping, all sales, refunds, fees, and taxes accurately accounted for, automatic bank deposit matching with Xero and QuickBooks, built-in support for VAT, GST, and sales tax. And another cool thing about Link My Books is that you can integrate it with Square, but also with WooCommerce, TikTok Shop, Walmart, Etsy, eBay, Shopify, and Amazon. And another cool thing again about Link My Books is that it can be used by e-commerce sellers and also by accountants and bookkeepers. So if you're an e-commerce seller in need of accounting software, then in the description, we have this video for you that shows how to use Link My Books from A to Z. It's a 30-minute tutorial with myself, Vova Evan, great to meet you, Amazon seller, and Daniel Little, the co-founder of Link My Books. In this video, we show you from A to Z how Link My Books works, how it can help you with your accounting and bookkeeping if you're an e-commerce seller. And another cool thing about Link My Books is it can be used by accountants or bookkeepers. As an accountant, you can increase the number of clients you can work with without increasing your workload because you have more automations, less errors in your practice. And in the description, there's a video where we show you how to use Link My Books with Daniel Little, the co-founder, myself of Evan Amazon Seller, for bookkeepers and accountants. It's a 41-minute tutorial that shows you from A to Z how this tool can be used by accountants and bookkeepers to improve their business of accounting or bookkeeping. We talk also about the pricing of the tool, and we answer different frequently asked questions. Also, we talk about the pricing of the tool for e-commerce sellers in the other video. So again, in the description, free trial, free onboarding, best coupon code, save big, all the tutorial videos for you so you can make the most out of Link My Books. And I'm an affiliate of Link My Books. That means if you ever click on my link to work with Link My Books, I'm going to get a little commission from that at no extra cost to you. But in this way, you can support my free content, and I'm truly grateful for that. You can also find more info about me at vovaevan.com, my website. So thank you a lot. Let's go, and everything's going to be good. Let's just keep going. Good luck.